Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to learn about isograms and how to check for them in JavaScript code. Are you ready to learn something new? Great! Let's get started. First of all, what is an isogram? The term isogram comes from the Greek words iso meaning equal and gram meaning letter. This means an isogram is a word that has no repeated letters, meaning every letter in the word appears only once. For example, the word cat is an isogram because it has no repeated letters. But the word banana is not an isogram because it has repeated letters A and N. Now, why is it important to check for isograms in code? Well, sometimes we want to make sure that a word is unique and doesn't have any duplicate letters. For example, if we are making a game where the player has to guess a word, we want to make sure that the word they guess is a valid isogram. Let's look at some examples of isograms and non-isograms. Can you see which words are isograms? Take a moment to pause the video and reflect on the answers before proceeding to the next segment of the video. Dog is an isogram. Elephant, not an isogram. Race car, not an isogram. Fish is an isogram. Now, let's see how we can check for isograms in JavaScript code. First, let's create a function named Isogram that takes a single argument word. Next, let's convert the input word to lowercase using the toLowercase method and assign the result to word variable. This is done to ensure that the function treats uppercase and lowercase letters as the same while checking for isograms. Then, create a new set object named mySet. A set object allows storing unique values of any type. Next, use a for loop to iterate over each letter of the word. Then, check if the mySet contains the letter using the has method of set. The has method returns a Boolean value, indicating whether a set object has an element with the specified value or not. Next, return false if the letter is already in mySet. Otherwise, add the letter to mySet using the add method if it is not already present in it. Finally, we will return true if the input word is an isogram, meaning, if there are no repeating letters in the word. Now that we've created our isogram function, it's time to test it out. To do this, we'll start by creating an array of words. We'll use the same words we used as examples earlier. Next, we'll loop through the array of words using the forEach method. Inside the loop, we'll check if each word is an isogram using our Isogram function. If it is an isogram, we'll display a message like this. If it's not an isogram, we'll display a message like this. Let's open up the browser console to see if we get the correct output for each word we've tested. And guess what? We do! That's it. Now you know what an isogram is, why it's important to check for them, and how to check for them in JavaScript code. Don't forget to keep learning and growing as a programmer. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more great content on coding and programming. Thanks for watching.